This right here is a crab stuffed hot pocket. I'm talking well seasoned up crab meat, ooey gooey cheese, that flaky puff pastry, and that garlic and herb butter glaze over the top. Let's whip it up. First things first, I'm gonna go ahead and melt down about 2 tablespoons of some unsalted butter. And to that, I'm gonna add in some chopped shallots as well as some minced garlic. You wanna go ahead and saute that just for about a minute. Then we're gonna toss in our crab meat. Normally I would use lump crab, but this claw meat was on sale at my local Winn-Dixie. 10 bucks for a whole pound of some claw crab meat. Come on, man. I couldn't say no to that, so I bought a bunch of them. That's a really nice deal. If you know, crab meat is usually very expensive. But anyways, to that, I'm just gonna keep it simple. I'm adding some Old Bay over the top, and I'm just gonna go ahead and mix it up just like so. And once we have that taken care of, we're gonna set that off to the side and then move on. This is our puff pastry sheets that we're gonna be using for today's recipe. I'm gonna go ahead and unfold this just like so. And I'm gonna use a pizza cutter, just slice it right down the middle as you see me doing on your screen right here. And this is how we're gonna layer it, okay? We're gonna toss a slice of that provolone cheese. You can use any of your choosing, any cheese you desire, you just put it on top, okay? But we're using provolone for this recipe. And then we're gonna toss in a good amount of that delicious crab meat, then more cheese over the top, fold it over, and you're gonna crimp it with a fork. And then once we have that crimped up and sealed, we're gonna use a pizza cutter to go along the edges to make it nice and pretty. And we're gonna do the same thing to the other one, so you gotta get a better idea of how it's done. And we're also gonna put some slits over the top so it could breathe a little bit as well. And like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and show you this one more time. Very simple: cheese, crab, more cheese, fold over, crimp, clean it up with a pizza cutter, more slits over the top, bada boom, bada bam. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit so you can have it ready to go, okay? All right, so I'm gonna transfer this into a pan. I have it lined with some parchment paper, and I'm gonna hit our patties, or should I say hot pockets, with a little bit of egg wash just like so. You know what I'm saying? 1 egg, a little splash of water. I'm just brushing it on, toss it in the oven, 18 minutes to about 20 minutes till it's nice and golden brown. And I have some garlic and herb butter that I'm gonna hit it with right over the top. Come on, man. This right here is absolutely special. You can't tell me it does not look delicious on your screen right here, and it tastes even better than it looks. You're not gonna find this at no restaurant. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and whip this up. Everybody in your family is gonna love this one right here. Absolutely delicious. Thank you for watching.